The FGM-148 Javelin is a fire-and-forget anti-tank missile. It locks onto a target's heat signature and attacks from above, allowing the operator to relocate immediately after firing. Lockheed Martin and Raytheon Technologies jointly produce the Javelin. Each missile costs between $80,000 and $200,000. The U.S. has supplied over 5,000 Javelins to Ukraine. Ukrainian soldiers received only about a day of training on the system. However, leaked documents suggest its effective range is lower than advertised, with a hit ratio of only 3 out of 8 targets in one test. Battery life for the launch unit is limited to 4 hours, and some U.S. soldiers have reported maintenance issues. These challenges pose significant operational difficulties for Ukrainian forces. While the Javelin has become a symbol of foreign aid to Ukraine, experts caution against viewing any single weapon system as a silver bullet. Credits script based on information from Eurasian Times and Firearm Blog.